Megoina khang gai me cham ka phuna gange Lisa aesthetic rina Christmas khani gat ngai khang offer gai me tina bame 25% off on all treatments and 50% off on IV whitening injection facilities nungo yetu hair reduction ko hai full face, full arm, full leg, axilla, underarm and intimate area hai nai na bame woman care treatment ko hai V rejuvenation EM chair ni nai koma breast tone up laser and PRP hydra facial black doll facial koma fat reduction ko hai full face tummy arm thigh and buttock hai nai na bame anti aging treatment ko hai botox and filler hai sunu oi chemical peeling korina lactic pill salai pill yellow pill melas under eye treatment ni sunu oi koma mole removal wart removal tag removal khatni tattoo removal hai nai na bame Tilaw na ba may offer goy hai January 31, 2025 au lalaw na ba may goy na rin na mitong opportunity hai lalaw kang titay bitong Kuma mitong address rin na Mahabali, Kabui, Khul opposite Center Point with Plaza City Mart Departmental Store Building ko. Alam ni may goy rin na 8798905409 ko alam lo nuwe. Tuan ko tay.